Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? Are you planning to create your own makeup kit? Are you confused because there's so many options available in the market and you just don't know what to buy? Are you looking for affordable makeup product that would actually work? Yes, these are the questions that comes to your mind whenever you are planning to buy something for your makeup kit, or if you are planning to buy the entire makeup kit. Sometimes you might be confused whether you should go for a high-end product or an affordable product for your makeup, because there are a lot of products available in the market. Some people say that the higher end are good, some people say the budget products are good, and you get really confused. So in today's video I'm going to talk about makeup products that are affordable, beginner friendly, yet they are so supremely good. I have tried and tested them all. Also, before I start the video, I would like to say that I'm not trying to build up a makeup kit within 2500 or 2000 or some amount. No, I'm just talking about the products that are actually good. I have 2 to 3 options for every product. Like for foundation, I have 2 options so that you can pick your own or choose what you want to go for. And most of them, I think almost all of them are below 1000, so that it will be easier for you to choose your type. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. So the first product I'm going to talk about is primer. I cannot really remember the price for all the products because there's a lot of products over here. I'm going to mention the price over here on the screen. So I have 2 options over here. One is from Color Bar and the other one is from Lakme. I have come across quite a few, but these 2 are just so good. So this one is from Color Bar. This will give you a smooth surface and it will fill your pores. And this one is from Lakme. The name of the product is Perfect Blur Makeup Primer. So this I recently started using and I'm completely loving it. It blurs your pores like anything. I love the makeup on top of it. If you are looking for some budget friendly and affordable category primers, you should definitely check these out. Next we will move on to foundation. Now when it comes to foundation, there's so many options. I literally got confused whether what to choose because I really wanted to show you at least 2 products from every category. There's a lot of foundations which all are affordable and does a pretty good job, but I selected these 2. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and this one is from Lakme 925. So first I'm going to talk about Maybelline Fit Me. I mean, once in your lifetime you definitely check this out. This product is actually a cult favorite. So if you do not have this in your makeup kit, I do not think your makeup kit would ever be complete. So definitely check this out. This is so affordable, gives you a very beautiful natural finish, and I am out of word when it comes to this product. This one is actually a new collection. Like, this is not new in market, but this is a new collection in my foundation collection. I started using it and then I kind of started loving it. On top of that, it is affordable. The price is mentioned somewhere here. As I've said, this is super affordable. The finish it gives you is so good, you guys, like super natural. It's sheer to medium coverage, and if you are looking for an affordable and beginner friendly product, I think you definitely should check this out. Next we will move on to concealer. These 2 are my favorite, like my top of favorite from all the concealers I have. So this one is also from Fit Me. As you can see, I have like almost finished it. I always restock it no matter what, no matter how many products I have. I keep on buying this one. This is my third, I think this is my third concealer packet. So you know how much I love this. If you are looking for a beginner friendly, super good product, this is the thing for you. The next concealer is from Swiss Beauty. So when I bought this, I did not have high hopes from this product, but this turned out to be really good. This gives you a very beautiful full coverage. It blends so beautifully and it does not really crease for a long period of time, which is so good. And when I got my hands, I thought, oh my god, it's so good, you guys. If you are looking for an ultra affordable concealer that works so supremely good, this is the product for you. So next we will move on to setting powder. I have 2 options over here. One is from Fit Me, obviously, like Fit Me is rocking my world, and this one is from K Beauty by Katrina. First I'm going to talk about this one. I don't know if I need to introduce this product to you, but anyways, this product is like a holy grail. I don't remember, but I think this product retails for 690 or something like that, but it gives you such a very beautiful base. It sets your makeup like wow. If I'm not wearing a makeup and apply a little concealer and I apply this one and I'm ready to go, this is as good. If you are ever confused about what loose setting powder you need to buy, this is the one. Like, close your eyes, go for this. So this one is K Beauty by Katrina. This is actually a new addition to my collection, but I love it equally. This is a little more pricier than that, but you can get your hands on this when this is on discount. But I think this is worth every penny. The powder is super fine quality, just like the Fit Me one. Packaging wise, it's so good. If you are traveling with this, there's no chance it will spill over. I have used the product on my makeup today. As you can see, there's hardly any crease, like the natural lines are there, but oh my god, this is so good. Even if it is a little pricier than the Fit Me one, I think it does an amazing job. So yeah, definitely check it out. So next we will move on to bronzer. So when it comes to bronzer, I think it was a struggle for me to choose the right bronzer for me, because nothing was showing on my skin, because I am more like a wettish kind of a skin tone, if that makes any sense, like that makes any color, and everything was like a powder to me and it was not showing on my cheekbones. So I was really losing hope when it comes to bronzer, but then I got my hand on these two. So first I'm going to talk about this one. This one is from Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed 026. So this is such a good bronzer, I tell you guys. Like, I have hit the pan in it. I use it almost every day in almost all my makeup looks. If you go back and watch all my makeup looks, you would find me using this one. This is so good. I think this is one of the underrated product. Nobody really talks about it a lot. So if you are my skin type, I think this should be just fine for you. Affordable, very good, works wonderfully, looks naturally tan. This should be the one for you. Okay, so next bronzer I'm going to talk about is Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beach. I'm going to show you a swatch for this. I don't know how much you can really see, but this is just right for my skin tone. So this one is also somewhere around 550 and you get so much product into it. I don't think you're ever gonna finish this. It doesn't feel patchy on your skin or powdery on your skin. It's so buttery soft. You can see it blends so beautifully on your skin. On top of that, it has this beautiful natural sheen to it, which looks amazing when you go out wearing this one. So yeah, you should definitely check this out too. Next we will move on to blush. So personally, I'm not a very blush kind of a person. I do blush when I do makeup looks and apply blush to complement my lips or my eyes, but on an everyday basis, I do not really apply blush. I do use liquid lipstick to give it a tinted effect, or some tinted lip balms or something like that, but I do not really use powder blush on a regular basis. But I have such beautiful options for you if you are looking for a budget or good product. So first one is from Maybelline New York Master Blush. I bought this when I was really new into makeup, and this really helped me a lot because this one has such beautiful color going on. Like, it has this peachy sort of a shade, pink and dark pink, and it has a highlighter in it too. So if you are looking for something really in budget and have a lot of color options, I think for beginners it's an amazing option, and it is below 1000. Yes, the price of the product is 890 rupees way back when I bought this. I'm not sure about this product right now. Maybelline is most of the time on discount. If you can get your hands on this when this is on discount, it is a win-win situation. This is a must-try product if you are looking for an affordable blush. So after the palette, I'm going to talk about single. What I think is, if you are looking for a particular color or shade, I don't think you should invest your money into this. If you are looking for 2-3 colors at once, this should be the option for you. But if you are very specific about what colors do you want on your cheek, like what suits you, this color I want, you should invest in these minis. These are so good. This one is from Sugar and the name of the shade is Coral Climax. I was looking for coral shade for my skin type, and this turned out to be one of the beautiful shade, and the color is so very good, very pigmented. I'm wearing it right now. It looks so natural. So if you're looking for something that is pigmented, you can build it up and works fine. I think you should definitely check this out. The price of the product should be $399 or $350. I don't remember exactly. I'll mention in the screen somewhere. These are very good. They don't have a lot of variations when it comes to colors, but they are very good product. After blush, I'm going to move on to highlighter. So the highlighter I'm going to talk about is the holy grail for every makeup lover. The highlighter I'm talking about is Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This product is used and abused. I cannot really open the cap and show you because everything will fall apart. I carry it everywhere I go. I love it that much. Even if it is broken, I don't care if my bag is going to get dirty. I don't care because I love it so much. The particles are super fine. It does not look chalky on your skin, and this one is not very chunky, which I absolutely love about this. So if you are looking for something affordable, good, and everything which I talked about, this is the one for you. Try this. This is a must have. So the next highlighter I'm going to talk about is also Sugar. This is such a beautiful champagne color. These the particles are not chunky and it does not feel powdery on your skin. Like, it blends beautifully. I took a lot of product, but never mind. It's super blendable. You can definitely tone it down. You have that beautiful shine. That's why I love it. So if you want to invest your money into highlighter, I think this could be a very good option. Okay, next we'll move on to some eye products. I have quite a few collections in eyeshadows, but I'm not showing them all. I'm going to show you something that is going to be very helpful for you, affordable and wearable. So yeah, you choose your option from them. There's actually amazing options available in market below 1000, affordable category, and the color payoff is just so good that you cannot really resist yourself from buying them. It actually depends whether what you want to go for, what you want to buy. If you want to buy eyeshadows that are everyday wearable or good for marriage functions, office wear, and those which have brown, mauve, and light pinks and peachy shades, for those you can buy Makeup Revolution product. They are so good, you guys. I think they are just perfect, very affordable, super blendable products, and such variation in color. You have black, brown, pink, and mauve, and whatnot. I'm not saying go for this particular palette, but there's so many options available. You should definitely check them out by yourself and pick what suits the best for you. Second, I'm going to talk about Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. This palette is bomb. This is super duper affordable. The color payoff is amazing. You can definitely see there's not a lot of colors, but you have every color that you want to go for a function, for everyday wear. You have this palette and you are sorted when it comes to beginners. I think you should definitely check this out because this is not way too expensive and the colors are just as good. So next I have Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is a mind-blowing palette. I tell you guys, this is super affordable, like $2.99 I guess. This is super affordable. I have created this makeup look with this single palette and the color payoff is amazing, you guys. I'm gonna show you some swatches from the metallic ones. Just have a look. These are so good, you guys. Extremely pigmented, amazing quality product. Price wise, just bomb. This is also a very good beginner friendly, everyday use sort of a palette. You can check this out. And finally, I promise this is the last one when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I really wanted to show you all the good options that I think I have when it comes to affordable yet good quality products. So this one is from Nicka K. Why I'm showing you this one? It's because if you are looking for colorful palette, this has some amazing colors. So this palette is in a red variation. They have palettes in green variation, pink variation, blue variation, and whatnot. Oh my god, if you are looking for colorful palettes, if you fancy doing colorful eye makeup, I think you should definitely check this out. We should definitely move on to eye pencils. So these are kajals. I have two options over here. One is from L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon 24-hour waterproof kajal, and this one is from Colourpop. These are equally good. I have one more option which is way too cheaper than these. This one is from Faces Canada Magnet Eye Kajal. Why I'm showing you this? It's because it is pigmented, but it does not really stay for a long period of time, but it is jet black, you guys. Let me just show you swatches for all the three and then I will talk about it. So this one is very affordable. I think 199 or so. So this one is jet black. It's just that it's not waterproof and it does not really stay for a long period of time on my waterlines when I apply makeup sometimes. So maybe that could be the reason. That's the reason why I haven't really included this one. But this one is very good when it comes to color payoff. Like jet black, 199. you can check it out, but that's the reason why I did not include that. This one is from Color Bar. I'm gonna show you the swatch for that. You see how jet black this is, and this one stays for a long even if I wash my face, it does not really fade away. I applied on my waterline, it does not fade away that easily, so very good. And finally, I'm going to talk about L'Oreal Paris Gel Crayon Waterproof, and I'm going to show you the swatch. So this is the swatch for that. I think it's super jet black, very pigmented, and it stays for a long period of time, waterproof as I have mentioned. So definitely you should check these three when it comes to kajal if you are looking for affordable yet good kajals. Okay, next I'm gonna talk about eyebrow. So I have two products, but they are from same brand. Both of them are from L'Oreal. This pencil is great for everyday use. It has a spoolie on the other side, and the product gives you a very natural finish, and it's very good for instant use. On top of that, it's very travel friendly and affordable. 799 rupees. You can get your hands on this when these are 15 to 20% off. So it's a great option, great investment when it comes to brows. So you should definitely check this out if you are looking for an affordable brow product. I'm going to talk about this one. So this is not really convenient for everyone if you do not have a good hand, doing your brows. It takes practice to do this, but it goes a long way. It has a mirror in it. The products are very good. I use it almost every day. I love the product. So this is just an option which I think is very good, and if you are looking for powder brows, you can check this out. So next I'm going to talk about mascara. I have two mascaras which I absolutely in love. This one is never getting old. Like, this is my third or fourth bottle. This is great for everyday use. This I think is almost finished. It gives you beautiful lifts and very natural looking eyelashes. I love this. Very affordable, great for everyday use, and definitely you should check this out. This one is new actually in my collection, but ever since I started using this, I'm loving it. The good thing I love about this is the wand. The applicator over here is very small, so that you have a very nice control over your lashes when you apply them, which is a good thing. When you apply mascara on your lower lashes, it tends to go everywhere. I think when you are using a very small applicator, you have that control over your mascara. So yeah, I think you should definitely check this out. This is not way too expensive. I think it is around 600 and something. I think it's worth a try. So next I'm going to talk about lipstick. Every person has different requirement when it comes to lipstick. Some want matte lipstick, some want creamy lipstick, and some want tinted lipstick, and they have so many options. I don't think I should include them in this episode today, but yeah, I think I can talk about my current favorite lipstick. So this one is my all-time favorite. This one is from NYX. This is a liquid matte lipstick, and I'll just show you my swatch. This is so good for everyday use. I'm not really recommending you anything, but I'm just showing you because I love them. I love almost all the liquid matte lipstick I have from NYX. They are super good. Light on your lips, looks amazing, very natural. And this one is from Miss Claire's. These are also liquid matte lipsticks. I'm in love. I don't have space on my hand. I am wearing it right now. It does not feel heavy. It does not crack your lips. I love it. And last but not the least, I'm gonna talk about setting sprays. I have two setting sprays over here. They are extremely good, super affordable, and does amazing job. They do job like high-end products. This one is from NYX. This is a dewy finish setting spray. I love this. I carry it everywhere. And this one you can see, like, I do not even have the cap. This is also a natural finish setting spray. They do have a matte finish version, I think, but I love this one. I have used it. Like, it's empty. It's going to my empties. These are that good. If you are looking for budget friendly and amazing setting sprays, I think you should definitely check these two out. Oh my god, that's such a long video, but I think it's completely worth it. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Do let me know that in the comment section down below. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. Bye.